Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add reCAPTCHA to your WooCommerce checkout page. This helps you stop bots, fake orders, and spam submissions before they reach your order list. WooCommerce checkout is the most important step in your store. But if bots or spam users start placing fake orders, it creates a lot of extra work. You may see random orders, failed transactions, fake customer details, or suspicious checkout activity. And by default, WooCommerce does not include a built-in reCAPTCHA option for the checkout page. So, if you want to protect your checkout from automated spam, you need to add an extra security layer. With reCAPTCHA, you can check whether the customer is a real person or a bot before the order is submitted. You can use reCAPTCHA version 2 checkbox or reCAPTCHA version 3 based on your store's needs. In this video, I'll show you how to add reCAPTCHA to WooCommerce checkout using the Dotstore WooCommerce Fraud Prevention plugin. Let's see how to configure it using a quick demo. First, make sure the WooCommerce Fraud Prevention plugin is installed and activated on your store. Now, go to Dotstore plugins and open the Fraud Prevention plugin settings. Here, go to the General Settings section. Now scroll down until you find the Google reCAPTCHA settings section. Here, first enable the reCAPTCHA option. Once you enable it, you need to select the reCAPTCHA type. You can choose between version 2 reCAPTCHA or version 3 reCAPTCHA. For this example, I'll select version 2 reCAPTCHA option. Now, you need to add your site key and secret key. Let me quickly show you where you can get them. Open the Google reCAPTCHA admin console page. This is the sign up or registration page where you register your website for reCAPTCHA. Here, you need to add your website label, select the reCAPTCHA type, add your website domain, and submit the form. Once your site is registered, Google will provide the site key and secret key. You don't need to create anything inside WooCommerce manually. You just need to copy these two keys from Google and paste them into the plugin settings. Now, let's go back to the plugin settings. After adding both keys, click on the Save Changes button. Now your WooCommerce checkout reCAPTCHA is configured. Let's quickly understand how version 2 and version 3 look on the checkout page. If you use reCAPTCHA version 2 checkbox, the customer will see the I'm not a robot checkbox before placing the order. They need to verify it before the checkout form is submitted. If you use invisible reCAPTCHA or reCAPTCHA version 3, the experience is usually smoother. The customer may not see a checkbox every time. Instead, reCAPTCHA works in the background and checks whether the activity looks normal or risky. This is helpful if you want security without adding an extra visible step for every customer. For this demo, we are using the version 2 checkbox so you can clearly see how it works. Let's test it on the storefront. I'll add a product to the cart. Now, let's proceed to the checkout page. Here, you can see the reCAPTCHA checkbox showing near the Place Order section. Before placing the order, the customer needs to verify that they are not a robot. Now I'll complete the checkout details. Then I'll verify the reCAPTCHA. And now I'll click on the Place Order button. As you can see, the order is placed successfully because the verification is completed. Now, let's say, if a bot or a suspicious automated script tries to submit the checkout form without passing reCAPTCHA, it will be stopped before the order is placed. This helps you reduce spam orders and keeps your checkout safer. That means fewer fake orders, fewer spam submissions, and less manual cleanup for your team. It also helps reduce failed transactions and unwanted checkout activity. If you use version 2 reCAPTCHA checkbox, customers clearly see the security check. If you use invisible version 3 reCAPTCHA, you can protect the checkout with less friction for real customers. So, based on your store type, you can choose the reCAPTCHA version that gives you the right balance between security and customer experience. And that's it. This is how you can add reCAPTCHA to your WooCommerce checkout page. It helps you block bots, reduce spam orders, and protect your store before fake orders enter your system. If you want to add reCAPTCHA and advanced fraud protection to your WooCommerce store, install the WooCommerce Fraud Prevention plugin using the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and want more WooCommerce tutorials like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.